The Council of Governors has refuted claims of mismanaging the 5 billion shillings allocated to counties to help them combat coronavirus. Through the Council Chair Wycliffe Oparanya, governors say counties have had numerous challenges in procuring equipment from KEMSA, as evidenced by various reports from counties citing unavailability of pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical products at the requested time. Appearing before the Senate Committee on Health and Ad Hoc Committee on COVID-19 Containment, the Council of Governors has called for an amendment to the KEMSA Act of 2013 that prohibits county governments from procuring drugs and other medical equipment from any other supplier. The governors have protested the manner in which KEMSA is handling the procurement procedures. A report by Senate Committee on Health indicates that KEMSA can only supply up to 54 to 65% of all orders made by county governments.
There is no way on earth that you can centralize the supply of reagents to all hospitals in Kenya and make KEMSA efficient. It would be completely a nightmare for KEMSA.
The Council of Governors' sentiments on KEMSA come as the 21-day ultimatum given by President Uhuru Kenyatta to investigating agencies to complete investigations into the KEMSA saga elapse. Eddie Logova, TV47.